everybody, Yogi here. I hope you are doing well. I am doing well. We are in West Bend, Wisconsin on a balmy 11-degree day. Yeah, it's currently 11 degrees. It's like 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's like 11 degrees. Last year, I shot a video of this particular event, and I thought we'd come by and check it out again today. It is the West Bend Winter Warmup. And what they have is a whole bunch of neat little ice sculptures. They have a lot more this year than they did last year. So, without further ado, we're at Old Settlers Park at the moment. We are going to check out some of the ice sculptures. I don't know if there's anything else going on today. Yesterday was much busier because I was driving through here. But today, I don't know, I think the weather and the fact that it's kind of winding down because it's almost over with. Let's go take a look at some of these ice sculptures, shall we? It is called the Fisherman. And this ice sculpture, it just says Fisherman. It doesn't give a name of who sculpted it, unfortunately. Pretty neat detail. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Kind of get into some of the detail. I'm glad they have them labeled this year. Last year they did not. I don't know if the glare from the sun is going to be in the way, but this one says City of West Bend down here. And as you pan up, at the top it says WB Winter Warmup. West Bend Winter Warmup. There's a close-up shot of that one. This one's sculptured by, it's sponsored by Delta Defense LLC, USCCA Conceal and Carry Association, and it's a snowman with some flowers. There you go, you got one from Healing Elements Day Spa. That's actually a place that back in the day, the paranormal group I'm with, when they were at their old location, we investigated there. And it's Lady Liberty. Very nice. I remember this one. They had something similar, if not the same thing, last year. So yeah, that one's back again this year. Ooh, look at that. It's a cool little dragon there. Yeah, that's neat. Look at that face. Rawr. And that tongue. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Tongue grooves. Still got a little bit of festive holiday decor up. There's some festive decor. Here's a cat. So apparently there's like around 50 sculptures here this year. There were not that many here last year. So it is expanded greatly this year. But then I bet you the pandemic probably had a lot to do with the turnout and the sculptures from last year too. And our next sculpture is a seahorse. It's a neat little seahorse. That's neat. This one says sponsored by the Pink Poppy. And it's an angel. Ooh. Look at that. Very neat. Our next one is an eagle. Rock, flag, and eagle. And here's our next sculpture. This one is a polar bear. Now, as I was walking up to it, it almost looked like it had sunglasses on, but it don't. Now, is this a Coke bear? Comment below if you remember the Coke bears and how cool they were. They were pretty darn cool, weren't they? Surprisingly, there's quite a few people out here today. I didn't think there would be because it's very cold. Very cold today. This is a nutcracker. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Again, I just love that detail. It is so cool. The word cool is going to be mentioned a lot in this video. And here's a familiar sculpture from last year returning, Tic-Tac-Toe. I don't believe they had the colors in them though. They didn't have the yellow and blue. Our next one, Packers and Bucks and Brewers. Well, at least one of the three teams had something to cheer about this year, huh? Packers lost last night. From what I hear, it didn't look good. I saw the highlights, but those weren't highlights. The special teams, Mason Crosby, yeah, don't know if he's going to be back next year. Comment below, is Mason Crosby or Aaron Rodgers going to be back next year for the Packers? Don't know. A ballerina. Oh, it's a child ice skater. Oh, geez. I suppose I should read the card first, huh? All right. Yeah, she's got skates on. That's neat. That's very cool. There is no tag for this one, so I don't know exactly what it is, but it's 2 pieces. It's pretty neat. Angel wings? I don't know. I don't remember seeing this last year, but it's got a map of where all the sculptures are, and it's interactive. Very cool. So the one we were by, as I'm trying to look here, that was angel wings. Okay, I was right. And this one is a snowflake. We are going to go inside the Laughing Mountain Gourmet Popcorn shop. Maybe pick up some popcorn. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at this Valentine cookie.
Yeah, there's still something.
Cinnamon spice. Gourmet popcorn. Laughing Mountain. Ooh, salted caramel cheesecake. Peppermint. Yeah. Caramel, butter toffee. Ooh, they got all sorts of goodies here. Kentucky bourbon caramel. Ooh, that looks good. Jalapeno cheddar. Creamy ooh, blazing hot. That looks good. These apples. Look at that. Mint chocolate sandwich cookies and dark chocolate. Caramel cashew. Very good. They got a caramel sea salt chocolate drizzle. Confetti. Explosion of fruit flavors. Birthday cake. We're gonna have to get something. Matterhorn mudslide. Oh, that looks like a, oh, what is that stuff called? Puppy chow? We also have smoothies and Italian sodas. Those sound good, but just not today. Look at this. They've got peanut butter and jelly cotton candy, spicy jalapeno cotton candy. That is cool. I might have to get some. What is this? Churros cotton candy. And up there they have some really neat military tins. Navy, Air Force, Army, Marines. Very neat. So that was Laughing Mountain Gourmet Popcorn. Very interesting place. Lots of real interesting flavors that you wouldn't think they'd come up with flavors like that, but boy oh boy, that spicy jalapeno cotton candy, I was really tempted to get that one. All right, let's check out a few more. Here's one we didn't have last year. It is a gasoline pump. There's the beautifully restored West Bend Theater, which is beautiful on the inside. And they're showing all sorts of things. Movies, they have concerts, comedy, all sorts of stuff going on there. Our next sculptor is the Shooting Star. and it's actually got lights behind it, so it lights up at night. They should have did that with all of these sculptures. That would have been really, really neat, seeing them all lit up. Somebody decided to do a whole bunch of snow angels in this alleyway here. Art. That's considered art, folks. At least I think so. Comment below. Is it art? Is it not? Here is a husky. It says husky. Kind of hard to tell though. It's kind of hard to tell, but the mouth is right here. And there's the ears. We have coffee and feet. I think this one was here last year. Feet and some coffee. This one is lock and key.
Lock and key.
Here we go, piggy bank. Ah, that's cool. A piggy bank. And this one is a selfie frame. There's a bunch of sculptures that go down farther south, but my wife's already too cold. She went back to the car. So I'm just gonna get a couple here and work my way back. It's sponsored by Brazen Head Pub, and it's a bottle of beer. This one's sponsored by Thrivent, and it is a festive penguin. There's the beak. For all you Star Wars fans, we have Baby Yoda. There he is. Baby Yoda. Yoda not like you filming? Oh, okay, sorry. When I first came up to this, I thought it was a dolphin, but it's a shark. There you go, you got your shark. Lovebirds. Oh, it's so beautiful. They're in love. They're surgically attached at the mouth. That's very pretty. How it glistens in the sun. Very pretty. All right, I'm inside the renovated, it's called the Bend now, but it's the West Bend Theater. It was, check it out. These are all old pictures of the West Bend Theater. I didn't think they'd be open today, but they are. And here is the renovated theater. Is this gorgeous or what? This is beautiful. They put so much work into this building. I was here, I came in here when it was closed. So we're back here in the Bend. I mean, just look at that. Again, I mentioned before, but they have concerts. But isn't this a beautiful place? Look at how beautiful this is. Just gorgeous. Huge curtain. All right. The artwork and attention to detail is just amazing. And here's them actually working on it right here. This was years in the making. That's what it used to look like before it closed down. Right there. And that's the old sign. Either it's coming back. Yeah, it's coming back. Or they took it away. Very neat though. Very, very neat. I am so glad they were open, because I've always wanted to show you what it looked like on the inside, and it's beautiful. Now back to the sculptures. Oh, another Star Wars one. We got Chewbacca. Hello, Chewie. I was hoping to get all of the sculptures today, but it's really cold out. My wife's already retreated to the car, and there's more of them south. Not far south. I mean, they go probably another block or two, But that's going to do it for the 2022 Winter Warmup from picturesque and bitterly cold downtown West Bend, Wisconsin. I'd like to thank all of you folks for joining and supporting and sharing and liking. And don't forget to like and share. And please comment below about the video if you liked it or not. Or you can also go to www.patreon.com/roadtrips with Yogi. And you can check out what I have to offer on that channel as well. And become a member. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, from West Bend, Wisconsin, this is Yogi, and I am out of here.